Welcome to our guide on how to share the story of your first meeting on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. 1. To begin, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to start creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options. 4. Choose Relationship from the list of life events. 5. Select First Met to commemorate the special moment when you first encountered your partner. 6. Add the name of your partner and the date of your first meeting to capture the essence of this significant event. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to determine who you want to share this heartfelt memory with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share the beautiful story of your first meeting with your Facebook friends and followers. By following these steps, you can cherish and share the romantic tale of how you and your partner first crossed paths on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post about your first meeting on Facebook. Share the magic of your love story with your Facebook community by following these simple steps.